Sit or lay down with your back straight. Close your eyes and adjust your body to be in a relaxed position. Make yourself comfortable and ensure that you will not be disturbed for the next couple of minutes. Take time to turn off your notifications on the mobile or to take care of any other distractions. Take a deep inhale and give out an exhale. Concentrate on the air passing through your nose and gently touching your belly. And focus on the breath again while exhaling. If there are any thoughts distracting you, gently bring your awareness back. Bring your focus on your forehead. Scan your forehead for any stress or tensions. Relax your forehead on the count of 1. 3, 2, 1. Your forehead is completely relaxed. Let go of the stress and relax the muscles on your forehead and surrounding areas. Now bring your attention back to your cheeks and visualize them getting relaxed. Bring your focus on your chin and relax the chin muscles. Slowly and steadily, you are getting relaxed. Bring your attention on the forehead and on the top of your head and relax those muscles completely. Visualize ice melting with every inhale that you take. Visualize the back of your head getting relaxed completely. Now bring your attention on the neck and the surrounding areas and relax the muscles. Bring your attention to your left shoulders, drop it down, and see the stress and the tensions sliding down. Do the same with your right shoulder. Drop it down. Relax. Bring your attention on your chest and completely relax the chest region. Do the same with your stomach. Feel how the air travels in the stomach while you inhale. Focus on your stomach going up and down during your breathing process. Relax. Relax. Bring your attention on your left knee and the left foot and relax the left foot. Now bring your attention on the right knee and the right foot. If there are any muscles which have been clenched up, let go and relax. See your body completely relaxed. Feel yourself completely relaxed, rejuvenated, and refreshed. Your mind, body, and soul have been relaxed and energized. Whenever you're ready, gently wriggle your toes and your fingers and gently open your eyes.